You're welcome to DBA TV, where we discuss everything international trade. In today's video, focus will still be on finding buyer abroad. I've been spending a lot of time discussing the issue of how to find buyer abroad. Today, I'll be looking at what your marketing effort must do to find buyer. What your marketing effort must do to find buyer. Your marketing effort has an objective, has a goal. And you must be very conscious of that goal. You know, if you're looking for buyer, if you have watched the previous video, I've talked about budgeting. The fact that you must have a budget. That is indispensable. I think you must have a budget. You must have money you've set aside for the purpose of promoting your business in the export market. You must have money you have set aside for the purpose of promoting your business in the export market. But what I want to talk about this morning is, let your marketing effort direct the buyer abroad to your website. Let your marketing effort direct the buyers abroad to your website. Now, you must have a website. And that's what I've titled, if you see the caption, I titled it like, what your marketing effort must do to find buyer. And what is that thing? Let your marketing effort direct the buyer abroad to your website. Now, this presupposes that you already have a website. That means if you don't have a website, please don't try to look for buyers. You know, some people tell me, Dele, but I know companies, I try to even check them out. They don't even have a buyer, they don't have a website, and they're doing a lot of volume. Go and check it very well. They have a sister company abroad. They don't need anybody to verify them. They have a sister company abroad. They don't need anybody to verify them. There's no need for any form of verification. You are in Africa. Nobody know your organization. Nobody know your company or company. So if you are thinking you will not need buyer, you will not need verification, you are joking. You are joking. You definitely need verification. And one of the first level of verification is for them to go and check you out. Is for them to go and check you out and check your website and validate some of the claims you made on your website. So if you now do not have a website, you are basically saying that I am not credible. I'm not credible. I can't be trusted. I don't even have the money. I don't even have the $300 to have a website. I don't even have why I say that you don't even have $300 to get a website. And you're asking for a business of $10,000, $20,000, $100,000, $1 million. Of course, nobody's going to listen to you. Nobody's going to listen to you. Your website is going to have to provide a number of information that even make them trust you, that boosts your credibility ab initio, such that even if they have concern, when they see your website, they begin to say, okay. He seems to have some information or some fact or some verified information on his website that we must, that help us to confirm, or that help us to give him benefit of the doubt. Give him benefit of the doubt. So the goal of your marketing effort is to be able to direct traffic to your page, social media page, particularly your website, because your social media page should direct them to your website. Your social media page direct them to your website. So if you are doing the advert on Facebook, for example, it can take them to their profile page or get them to see your profile page, but eventually they should be able to get to see your website. If you are doing it on Instagram, they get to see your page on Instagram, but also to your website. So it's very important that you, because your goal is to get bulk buyers. You're not like selling on Amazon retail. You want to get bulk buyers who are going to buy in bulk, but they need to be able to get to your website and see that you have what it takes. And of course, your website should have a landing page that get their information for you to be able to reach out to them afterwards. I've told you about the protocol to reaching out to them. Now, that website should be such that it's regularly updated and provide a lot of information. Provide a lot of information that gives credibility to your organization. Information like the impact of your business on the people in the supply chain, particularly women and youth. Particularly women and youth. Remember, UN is driving sustainability of our world, and one of them is employment, reducing poverty, reducing inequality in our world. So if you now say that the vulnerable people in the society, the women in the villages in your country, the youth in the villages in your country who do not have opportunities and privileges are being supported and empowered and assisted through your supply chain, and you can validate this with pictures and videos and testimonies, you have arrived. You are going to be able to get the attention of some organization who will do business with you just for that alone. Just for that alone. So please ensure that your marketing effort direct the people that are seeing your video to a place they will see more of you and know more of your product, more of your services, more of your business. All these things coupled with information you are putting on your social media page gives you credibility. Gives you credibility. Gives you credibility. And if there is one thing you need, it is credibility. If there is one thing you need, it is credibility. Because as a people in Africa, we already have an issue with credibility because of our people doing yahoo and doing all sorts of internet scam. So not even having a website is something you should not even tolerate at all. Why? Because you are going to put some people off. And your effort in marketing and the money you are spending in marketing might be a waste simply because you don't have a website. And the question is, how much is it to even have a website? So small. Remember, I already said you should have a budget. Maybe out of the budget of $1,000 I suggested you should have, maybe you should use some to be able to do your website. Maybe you should use one to be able to do your website. The reason is this. In fact, before I talk about the reason, I was on a Facebook Live recently, and someone in the Facebook Live was telling me that they were not even promoting. They were not promoting. Someone reached out to them from UAE who want to buy their product. They didn't market. They just have a website. Maybe the cost of searching on website, and the company has done a good search engine optimization. Maybe searching for ginger supplier in Nigeria, and their website pop up. And they go to their website and they're able to send them a message. So that, can you see now? They just have a website as a commodity merchant, and they are getting requests from UAE of an organization who intend to buy from them. That is the way it works. That is the way it works. That is the way it works. You will be getting people asking you questions or making an inquiry just by the fact that you have a website, and do a very good search engine optimization regularly to be able to ensure your business come up top ranking when they are searching for supplier of that product in your country. But more importantly is that you also on that website put information, not just for them to reach you, information also about the product, the quality specification, if there are any form of certifications you have for that product. If it's organic, if you have any type of form of certification, please put it on the website. Those are the things that buyer want to see, to validate that, oh yes, I think we can deal with this guy. He even does not just add value in the supply chain, he also has certification and a number of other information about your business and also about the management team. I hope this video has been of interest to you and has been of immense benefit to your organization or your business. Please, if you are new and you are just stopping by, you saw us by accident today on YouTube, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't just subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video. Don't just like the video, share with your friends. Don't just share with your friends, drop your comment in the comment section. We are always interested in those comments. I go there to read those comments and respond to those comments, either by writing in the video or by typing in the comment or by doing another video to be able to address the question you have. But more importantly also is, click on that bell, notification bell, so you will know when we upload a new video. My name is Dela, your export doctor, and I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.